Hi, my name is Chiquita Sorrels, and I've been teaching computer applications courses at Montgomery College for over 20 years. These courses have included everything from basic computer concepts to website design. Among the courses that I teach are file management, Microsoft Word, Excel, and Outlook, and QuickBooks. Whether you're planning a career in the technology field or not, knowledge of Word, Excel, and Outlook is required for just about any job today. One of the best entry-level jobs for in the computer technology field is providing help desk support. Help desk personnel are responsible for helping end users resolve issues involving software or hardware. As an entry level help desk technician, any questions you can't resolve are elevated to a second level technician. As your knowledge increases, you have the option of continuing as a next level help desk technician, moving into hardware or network support, or moving to other opportunities in the technology field. We look forward to seeing you at our classes.